Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Eye Wash Station is probably one of the most critical pieces of safety equipment you can have in any environment where eye hazards exist, from industrial settings and laboratories to workshops and even home garages, ensuring immediate and effective flushing in case of chemical splashes, dust, or debris exposure, thereby minimizing potential long-term vision damage and providing peace of mind for yourself and anyone working around you. Number 5. TidyFriend Eye Wash Kit. In emergencies, quickly flush your eyes with foreign material. This attachment provides peace of mind during unexpected situations and can be turned on and off in seconds. Our emergency eye wash kit provides a constant flow of water for thorough eye washing. This ensures complete protection from foreign material during emergencies. This faucet-mounted eye wash station safely retains the normal function of your sink. It conveniently adds emergency eye wash capabilities without compromise. This attachment is easy to locate and activates quickly in case of an emergency. It provides fast, effective first aid when you need it most. Designed for compatibility with most faucets, installation is easy and convenient. Quickly flush out dust, pollen, or chemicals with clean water. What we like. This eye wash station offers a continuous flow of water, ensuring thorough flushing in emergencies. Its faucet-mounted design makes it incredibly convenient and easy to activate. If you're looking for a quick, no-fuss solution that integrates seamlessly with your existing sink, this is the one for you. What people say. It is easy to install and super high quality. It is very functional. This functional eye wash kit is made from solid metal, which gives it a sturdy feel. I love knowing it's durable and ready to handle regular use. It fits on any standard faucet that matches its diameter, so you can have it set up in just a few minutes, no special tools required. Number 4. PhysiciansCare Wall-Mountable Eye Wash Station. Be prepared for eye emergencies with this wall-mountable station. It provides quick and easy access to sterile eye wash solution when you need it most. Our solution is specifically formulated to rinse your eyes. It's a sterile, isotonic, and buffered formula for effective eye care. Easily remove dust, pollen, chemicals, or dirt from your eyes. This eye wash is designed to help clear your vision quickly. The squeezable bottles allow for a steady stream of solution. You can direct it precisely onto the affected area for immediate relief. Keep this essential eye care solution readily available. It's crucial for quickly flushing out any foreign substances that may enter your eyes. This station comes equipped with two 16-ounce bottles of eye wash solution. Each bottle is intended for single use to ensure sterility. What we like. This wall-mountable station comes with 2 bottles of sterile eye wash solution, providing immediate access to relief. It's designed for efficient eye flushing and easy application. If you need a reliable, always-ready solution for a fixed location like a workshop or home office, this preparedness kit is ideal. What people say. It's easy to install, clearly labeled, and gives me peace of mind knowing it's there for emergencies. This was a quick fix to an eye wash station issue. It was easy to set up. It could generate an eye trauma injury and there was no emergency wash station nearby, also works for remote locations. Number 3. Fendall Eyesaline Eye Wash Saline Solution Refill. Introducing the Fendall Eyesaline Eye Wash Saline Solution Refill. This sterile saline solution is designed for immediate eye care and flushing when you need it most. Our buffered formula offers superior protection compared to tap water for emergency eye treatment. It ensures effective and safe flushing for your eyes. This value pack includes 2 32-ounce bottles, providing an extended safety supply. Keep your workspace or home adequately equipped for any eye emergencies. Fendall is a trusted name in eye safety. You can rely on this saline solution for effective and gentle eye flushing. These convenient 32-ounce refill bottles are easy to store and use. Ensure you always have a sterile solution ready for immediate eye care needs. What we like. This value pack includes 2 large bottles of sterile, buffered saline solution, offering extended safety supply. It's designed for immediate eye care and flushing. If you require a substantial amount of reliable eye wash solution for frequent use or to refill an existing station, this cost-effective option is a great choice. What people say. Grabbed the eye wash bottles and were able to flush it out before it did any more harm. They do well with temperature fluctuation in storage. Used solution to clean my dog's eyes and I noticed a good improvement. Number 2. Plum Sterile Saline Eye Wash Solution 2-pack. Get quick relief in emergencies with our sterile saline solution. A simple twist activates instant flushing to help remove irritants and contaminants from your eyes. Our ergonomic cup ensures the solution is directed precisely where needed. This allows for faster, more comfortable rinsing of sensitive eyes, lids, and lashes with minimal splash. This pack includes two 500 ml bottles of sterile saline. It's ideal for high-use eye wash stations in labs, industrial sites, or any workplace needing fast access to emergency rinses. These bottles are designed as a compatible refill for various eye wash station units. Replacing the bottles is easy, ensuring your station remains compliant and ready. Store with confidence thanks to a minimum 3-year shelf life. This ensures dependable access for first aid stations, labs, or any workplace eye emergency setup. What we like. Featuring an ergonomic eye cup for precise rinsing and a long shelf life, this sterile saline solution provides immediate eye wash relief. It's designed to fit specific eye wash station units for easy replacement. If you prioritize targeted rinsing and long-term reliability for your existing station, this refill is perfect. What people say. Washed lime plaster from eye. A must-have for every trade's first aid kit. These are a staple in our construction company portable safety kit. They work well and have used them to remove debris from my eyes. It is so easy to use you can figure it out without even being able to see it. Seriously, this product may have saved my vision. Number 1. Hydrosep Water Treatment Additive for Eye Wash Stations, Case of 4. Introducing Hydrosep Water Treatment Additive, designed to keep your eye wash station water clean and safe. This essential product ensures reliable water quality for your safety needs. Each bottle is formulated to treat a wide range of water volumes, from 5 to 20 gallons. This versatility ensures it meets your specific requirements efficiently. Enjoy up to 180 days of protection in sealed pressurized or air-driven systems. It provides long-lasting effectiveness, giving you peace of mind. For unsealed gravity-fed eye wash systems, we recommend fluid replacement every 90 to 120 days. This ensures continued efficacy and optimal performance. Our high-quality additive keeps potable water clean and free from contamination. It's essential for maintaining health and safety standards. Application is straightforward, simply add it to your system following the instructions. This convenient 4-pack provides an ample supply for extended use. What we like. This water treatment additive is designed to keep potable water clean and contamination-free in eye wash systems for up to 180 days. It comes in a convenient 4-pack for extended use. If you manage sealed pressurized or air-driven eye wash systems and need a reliable way to maintain water quality and ensure safety, this is an essential maintenance product. What people say. Installed new eye washing station and this product allows the water to remain inside the station for up to 180 days. Product has no odor and meets OSHA standards. Case of 4, 8 ounces, are the perfect size to mix in the water for our portable eye wash station. Bought these for my portable eye wash station. Definitely works and prevents the water from turning too soon. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.